Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, 27th of December, a couple days after Christmas. And the word of the day, talking about stock index futures, the word of the day is still Washington, D.C. And I guess the sub-thought is, will we fall off the cliff? Now, we still got to worry about Europe. We still got to worry about China. But right now, Washington, D.C. is probably the dominant force for the markets. And we know that when the S&P future contract went down by 30-something points just on the thought that they couldn't get anything done before Christmas. Now, we rallied back, and we're trading, around, well, let's see, where are we trading right about now? We're around 1420, give or take a couple points in the March contract, okay? We do have things on the docket, but they don't seem to be all that important when in comparison to Washington, D.C. And will the political leaders of this great nation compromise for the people and get something done, or will they let us fall off the cliff? Which, long term, by the way, would be a very positive note for our budget in general, okay? But it would probably cause a recession, that's what the great analysts are saying, and a big slowdown. So we're trying to say, let's compromise so that we don't have to have a lot of pain now for some gain later. And maybe we can kind of get where we want to be. Now, what do we got on the docket today? Initial claims, continued claims, new home sales, consumer confidence, which should be down because of Washington, D.C. Chicago PMI, manufacturing in the Midwest, pending home sales. You get the idea. None of that's going to really matter. There's very little activity. Volume is way down. And obviously, we're in between Christmas and New Year's, and it's always pretty slow at this time. So I'm going to give you, on a technical point of view, I'm going to give you some bigger numbers, wider range. And if we fall off the cliff, if they can't get it together, you could see just by last week's action that we will probably go into a minor bear market, in my opinion, okay? Short-term trend, technical analysis, sideways to down. To get to sideways to up, we need the market to close above 1425 approximately, okay? And then if we could do that, there could be some minor resistance at 1442, but really your next big target would be 1460. There's numbers in between. You can give me a call. I can give you day trading, swing trading, but these are the bigger numbers, okay? Going down, we keep finding good, very good support at 1390-ish in that area. If we close underneath that, my thought is we're going to go to 1340. So I've given you about a 120-point range. Short term, again, we're sideways to down. We're still about, give or take, 15% good for the year. We're going to have a roundtable on ags, and we're going to have a roundtable on financials. I'll be participating. I think you should tune in and get the long-term projections, the short-term projections on all of the financial markets. When it comes to that roundtable, it will be very educational, and it will help you trade better. And I encourage you to take the time to look at our roundtable. Remember always, trading futures or option of futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. Good luck, good trading. Happy New Year coming, and we'll see you in 2013.